At the time, my own institute, my friend
Yes. What
saying
happened,
to say something.
bro? What happened, bro?
All together, my heart believe person, my friend. He's a young, innocent, and intelligent mal, and also Mustafizur. And in this person, also my friend, more bed sharing girls, experience. Taruni.
Nothing to say. This is my friend. Right now, who is trying to capture some current movement of all our friends. Nothing to say, bro.
Look this legendary man.
Legendary. Yay! Hi.
Inshallah, in this year we complete our graduation degree.
future
And my backside, our junior. I love this, her beauty, natural beauty. I am a beauty lover boy. Mustabijur, Mama, you love beauty. You love beauty.
Yes.
I also love beauty.
All the gather person love beauty.
Not only beauty.
Don't show me, bro. Don't show me. Just show the your. No. No speech. No speech.
In this moment, our department topper, our friend, lovely friend, Badal come in. They are discuss BCS, how to catch this job, and include me. Sleeping boy, Johnny. Talking about how to improve ourselves, reading, writing, and speaking. We need this skill very much because our weakness in here
Lies in here.
বল না বল
So this is our last class maybe,
okay.
and then we are going to participate in the exam, in course exam,
Yes.
of part 4. Yeah, that's all.